We're glad to have you with us this evening. I'm Andrea Dearden. The years-long legal battle over Interfaith Sanctuary's choice to move its shelter to a Northwest Boise location entered a new phase today. The Idaho Supreme Court heard arguments about whether city code allowed for the City of Boise to approve the project, despite a no from Planning and Zoning. Abby Davis has the story.
Counsel, do any of you have anything for the court prior to argument today?
The future of Interfaith Sanctuary's West Boise shelter is now in the hands of the state's highest court.
We need that shelter for us homeless.
The Veterans Park Neighborhood Association says the City of Boise broke code when it overturned Planning and Zoning's original ruling against the project in 2022. The nonprofit is renovating a building on West State Street so they can house more people in need.
The council's actions are challenged as being made in violation of law.
The association appealed to the Idaho Supreme Court after a lower court sided with the city last June.
So that's one of the main issues.
Katie Decker is the president.
I'm really grateful that they're taking the question seriously.
Justices asked both sides for clarification throughout the hearing.
So is your problem with the fact that the city council set conditions, or you don't like the manner of the conditions that they set?
My struggle is their own code says you can only review or reverse the commission's decision if you find error. If you find no error, you affirm the commission's decision.
Yes.
Gwen Dominy hopes city council is in the clear.
If I didn't have interfaith, honestly, I would not be living right now. People need to understand where we're coming from. Like the people on State Street, they don't get what we've been through.
I don't think that that follows from the issue at hand. And if the city wasn't able to approve a shelter in a residential neighborhood based on their laws that say you can't impact the surrounding properties, then I think, as we've said from the beginning, you need to find a more appropriate place for a shelter.
The Supreme Court will deliberate and make a decision when it's ready. Meantime, Interfaith will move forward with renovations. The issue goes back down to City Council if the court sides with the Neighborhood Association.